What's up, y'all? Jason back at Breakpoint. Today we're going to teach you how to make homemade calzones. All right, guys. Jason at Breakpoint. Today we're doing calzones. So make sure that we look in the description, okay, down below, because we have a pizza that we just did with the same dough. So this is homemade dough right here. So right now we're going to make the calzone, okay? So we have our pizza sauce. That's actually going to be listed down below so you can watch that. Make sure you make your own sauces and your own doughs and your own bread at home. Your stomach will thank you. The taste is wonderful and you know what's in it. You're not going to be stuck with all that chemical bread and chemical food. Okay? So I'm going to dust my counter with some more flour here. Get my dough on the counter here. You can see it's in a nice ball. Again, this is our pizza sauce. Move this out of the way. This out of my way. All right. I'm going to just start forming this up a little bit with my fingers here like this. See that? And go around the horn here. And this dough's been in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 days. At least at least 3 days to be safe. And that's what you want when you make some dough like this. You want to let it sit in the oven. I mean, not in the oven, in your refrigerator for 3 days. I'm hungry. I'm starting to think about cooking this bad boy already. All right, gonna add some more flour. And I'm gonna start rolling this out a little bit. And when I get this baby rolled out, we'll be back. Oh yeah, it's starting to come along, folks. It's starting to come along. See this? So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, I've been playing with the dough for a couple minutes, and this is what I came up with. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my pan over here. As you can see, it's ready to go. Put this down. Now I'm going to put my sauce in. Okay. First, what I want to do though is we got some comfy. I'm going to put some oil on this like this. Right. We got some olive oil in here. We have the garlic, a little salt, and some Italian seasoning, and it smells delicious. You know, another thing that you could do is you could really roast this good, your garlic, before you put it in there. But I'm gonna use this as my base, just to give it a little bit more. Wow, what's in there? Okay, so I'm gonna add my sauce. Let me get that nice and happy up in here. Spread that around. Okay. Got some peppers here, green and red pepper. Gonna put that in there like that. Just made up some sausage, Italian sausage here in the skillet. So look at the description below. You'll see how to make this. Okay. So we got some sausage up in there, Italian sausage, and I'm going to add some salami in there. That I have. Let's just cut it up. Just a quick little chop like that. Put some salami up in here like this. Bailey, you want some pepperoni in there? Sure. All right, we'll add a little pepperoni in there, folks. You build it how you want to build it. We're just kind of using what we had on hand. We made a pizza tonight as well, so if you want to see that, we'll have that listed for you. So I'm going to put some couple pepperonis in here like this, cut it up. Okay, now we got some cheese. That's some mozzarella cheese here. Put it on this side like this. Put it in here like that. Get those ingredients back in there. Then we like provolone. So we're going to throw some provolone in there. Because it's so good. Okay. Get some slices of provolone up in here. Like that. There we go. It's almost like a burrito in a way. So I'm just going to roll this over. I'm going to bring this like this. And turn it over here like this. So you can see. And then what you can do is you can get a fork. With a small fork. You can just press it down like this. And seal it off. Just like that. Doesn't take much. Okay. She's sealed. Then what I want to do, because I'm crazy about garlic, I'm going to throw some more of this comfy in there. To me, it's like comfort. I'm just going to baste that. Just like that. Get it nice and happy. Oh yeah. Boy, that smells good. All right, folks. And just like that, this is ready to bake. So we have our oven set to 425. And we're going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so in it goes. We'll be back. All right, guys. This is the big moment. Calzone's out. It's on a cutting board, ready to cut. And turned out pretty decent. You can see it right there. Smells so good. And remember, all the recipes for the dough, the sauce, and the Italian sausage is going to be in the description below. All right. So let's try to cut this bad boy. See what we got. Should I go in half or let me see. Now I'll just do this like this. You hear that right there? Crunch. Oh. Okay, Bailey. You got to come in here. And guys, look at that. See all that cheesy, gooey stuff? Well, guys, I hope that you try this recipe out. Remember, be patient on your dough. Let it set for 3 days. And last but not least, you know how we do it here. We're going to try this bad boy. It's going to be really hot, so I'm going to try not to burn my mouth and spit it out at the camera. Save the camera, please. All right. All right, guys. This came out, so it is still pretty hot to the fingertips here. I'm going to try my best. Mm. Oh. Mm. Yeah, Bailey, you don't want to try this.
Hand it here, man.
You don't want none of this. Mm. Guys, I'm telling you, give it a shot. You have nothing to lose but a satisfied stomach and happy people. Give us a like and a subscribe if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more. Until next time, guys, enjoy. Breakpoint out.